Guys, do you know you can create amazing flyers using AI, as in free AI tools, in less than 5 minutes? Let me show you how you can design this kind of stunning images, that's stunning flyers, using free AI tools in less than 5 minutes. So guys, first thing you do is you come to your ChatGPT, because this is where we're going to build our prompts. So all you need to do is to describe exactly what you want your flyer to have. So this is an example of what I did. You can see I wrote, I want to create a skincare flyer for a brand, Glow. It is to promote latest products, a skin butter and a lotion. I want the main colors to be black and gold, bold fonts. Add beautiful melanin skin models, one bold at background with others at forefront, modeling the products. Using this information, create a detailed prompt I can use to achieve this. Include space for contact, social media handles, and brief product description. So that is what I gave it. Ideally, if you are going to make yours, where you are going to have your contacts, make sure that you're adding the exact contacts. That is, you put maybe your WhatsApp number, then in brackets put your WhatsApp number. Put your social media handles, in bracket your social media handles. If you have a product description, give it a product description. So basically put everything you would need on that flyer, including your details, or if it's a business you're doing, including your client's details. So you can see it gave me a prompt, generated everything for me from how it should look like, the text and everything. So the next thing you're now going to do is you're going to copy the prompts that ChatGPT gave you. So we're just going to copy it to where the aspect ratio, that's the end of the prompts. So let me just recopy this properly. So we're going to copy it, and then we are going to head on over to Nano Banana Pro. This is available on Gemini and it's absolutely free. All you need to do is to create an account with your email. So when you get here, you're going to paste your prompt. If you have an image of your product, just click on this plus button and then add the file, and it will add that particular product as the product that you're going to generate your flyer on. Now once you do this, just click on this submit and then wait for it to generate. Guys, just take a look at this. This is so beautiful. This is just one of the many you can actually create using this particular method. Guys, just take a look at this. This is another one I created. This is so beautiful. So this is amazing. You can start a business of this. There are people making money creating flyers such as this for clients. People are no longer hiring graphics designers that much, because it's something that they can actually do themselves, or they find it a bit cheaper hiring an AI graphic artist. So this is amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you'll be trying this, when you do, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see what you come up with, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.